As we wrap up, I've realized climate change is caused from places all over. Not one place is solely responsible for climate change. However, one country or place could have a very significant impact on climate change. The process of controlling climate change is controlling emissions with the use of mitigation. When I think of the possible problem of mitigation truly implementing this strategy, I can't help but think of the producing epicenter of the world, China. Now, to focus on the specific part, let's look at Beijing, the capital of China, an industrial mecca as well as the city with the worst air pollution. As of right now, mitigation is almost nowhere to be found in Beijing. The air quality is awful and there is a haze of pollution that can be seen in the city. Before COVID-19, people wore masks in the city to protect themselves from pollution risks. As for what does this mean for communities, if mitigation does not take place, the overall health of the people may decline significantly. If proper mitigation processes are implemented, communities can see many positive changes. Whether it's jobs or just a cleaner environment where it's safe to breathe without masks, there are a lot of positives for such a polluted place like Beijing. So how can Beijing mitigate more? Well, according to the chapter readings, it states, here, many of the determinants of mitigative capacity are fundamentally shaped by different countries' levels of development, including their current level of emissions, their stock of human, financial, and technological capital, such as the ability to pay for mitigation, the magnitude and cost of the availability, abatement opportunities, the regulatory effectiveness, and market rules. The education and skills base, the suite of mitigation technologies available, the ability to absorb new technologies, and the level of infrastructure development. Beijing and the rest of China would need to check their pockets in a sense to see if they have the capital and ability to mitigate some of their emissions. I'm sure they do, but that's not my decision. As the fight against climate change increases, hopefully all cities start to adapt and accept the ideas to help save the world.